Change can be scary, whether you're cutting off all your hair or like driving your car for the first time in 6 months that you rebuilt pretty much on your own. Either way, I think change is necessary for growth. I want to be a better car enthusiast, a better driver, and a better creator. I also want to run my fingers through my hair again. Let's go back a few days and take a look at what we've done.
Trip and drift.
This is the first time driving this car in 6 months. I'm filled with all different kinds of emotions. I'm scared because I did it all myself. I'm so excited because I love driving and I want to drive more, and whew, I have no words to say besides that. We are headed to Dynasty to get a final alignment with the caster, camber, all of that. So I'm going to enjoy this ride, but we'll see you there. The Z was running and driving great. The alignment felt so good after we got that done, but the steering still felt a little wonky, and I went with the hunch that it was this column knuckle joint. Replace that, but we need to see if the problem was fixed, so we took it for a test drive to Ace Cafe. The steering felt so much better after we did that, which I think means we're ready for the track. The next track day at OSW is July 30th, so we're gonna do some more planning and prepping and testing on the street until then, but I'm excited for that. Woo. What do y'all think? Most of y'all have never seen me without dreads. I need to go line it up, maybe take the beard off, but this is it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll catch you on the next one, fam. Peace.